Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. As part of Python tutorial, today I'll talk about Python global variable. Then there is a first question, what is Python global variable? A global variable in Python is often declared as the top of the program. In other words, variables that are declared outside of a function are known as global variables. You can access global variables in Python both inside and outside the function. Here is the example, x equal to perfect, which is a global variable. Then we are declaring a function definition gVariable, then within that function we are using that global variable x. Thereafter we are calling that variable, and this print statement will print the global variable value. So in order to implement this global variable code, we will use PyCharm IDE. You can use any other IDE, whatever you like. So here already my project is created. Those who are new in Python as well as PyCharm editor, how to install and how to set up a project, I have a separate video for that in my channel. You can watch from there. So once your project is selected, right click in the project, then click new, then click Python file. Here you need to enter your Python file name. Let's say my Python file name is global variable, then hit enter from keyboard. Here you need to write your code. Let's say I'm declaring one global variable which is city equal to New York. This is a, let's say, comment as a global variable. So now we need to create our function. Let's say definition my country parenthesis, then clone. Then we'll do one print statement. Print my city name is clone, then after single quotation put semicolon, then call that variable city. Now this is our simple print function. We'll call that function my country. So basically this variable value, as a global variable, we are taking the data variable value from here. So if we run this statement, right click, run global variable, you see it is printed my city name is New York. Now within the function we can declare another variable which is same name as a city equal to, let's say, Pennsylvania. Now if we run this program again, it will print city name as a Pennsylvania. Right click, run global variable. You see it is printed Pennsylvania. As if you call this city outside of the function, let's say we can do another print statement, print my city name is, let's say my city name, let's say we are calling city variable. Here is the single quotation missing. So first statement, you see this city will take the data from the global variable. It cannot be accessed to the local variable as a Pennsylvania. So this one will be print as a Pennsylvania. Next statement will print as a New York. So right click, run global variable. You see first one is printed, my city name is Pennsylvania. Second one is printed as a city name is New York. So global variable you can access from anywhere within the function or outside of the function. Now we'll declare another function over here, definition my country, colon. Then we will declare a variable as a global, let's say country. Then we'll assign the value for country. Then we'll assign the value for country equal to USA. Now we can print that statement, print my country name is colon, comma, then country. So it can be printed from here. Now we'll go outside of that. Let me call that function my country. Now I am in outside of the function, as it is this variable declared as a global variable, but within the function we are calling that function outside of the function. Let's see how it works. Let's say print variable call from outside of the function, colon, let's say comma, our variable name is country. Okay, in previous example we cannot even call the city from outside of function. Now we are calling this country outside from the function because it is within the function, but it is declared as a global. Let's see how it works. So right click, run global variable. You see my country name is USA. My country name is USA. That means within the function it is accessing the value as a global. Within it is expected. Then another rule is, if it is declared as a global within the function, then you can call it from anywhere outside of the function too. So variable call from outside of the function, you see USA printed. So this is the way global variable works, and you can utilize this global variable for your program purpose. You can anytime from anywhere. So that is the purpose for declaring as a global variable. You can use it from anywhere, inside the function, outside of the function, no matter what it is. Those who are new in Python programming as well as global variable, this video will be very helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question regarding global variable, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.